the system is divided in the system in the bicycle are divided into three. One, the bottom for adjusting the panel chair on the door. Buttons on the steering wheel, left side control of the radio and telephone, and on the right side, buttons that control the transition from program to program, such as fuel consumption and speedometer, external temperature, and etc. Here are the buttons, and I will show you. These are the buttons. Okay, this is the cruise control. It doesn't matter for us. And three air conditioner buttons. Air condition buttons located below the screen. Three are divided to the right and the left side separately. This is the left side, and this is the right side. The red is for heating and the blue is for cooling. And now we have also automat. When I touch this auto, the air conditioner start to work. Okay, here we have the decrease the air conditioner. To decrease the air conditioner, each side has a separate monitor. Okay, each side we have it must be separate monitor. Here, so you have the auto and off, and you have here the for heating, and now here the air condition, and all the features for the air condition. And now for opening doors and tying seat belts. Also we have the rear view camera, rear view camera. All I present the radio buttons work. The radio buttons are working, and the rear view camera also working. The system is not suitable for the Honda Accord Executive Car 208. Also, in the manufacturing setting that you give me, there is no list of models of bicycle to choose from, as well as for canvas selection. So now I will show you that what is working. Now I will start the car. Just a moment. I will start the car. Just a moment. Now the car is, I turn on the car, and now you can see what is working. It's the radio. And now when I press the volume button, you see the bottom is working. You see this is on the wheel steering. And also when I change the change the stations.
אני לא מוסמך להציע עסקאות טיעון.
אבל הנה, אלה הפרטים בגדול.
ועמדתך בנושא
Just a
קטטת
moment.
הנטיעות?
It's not working well. Something is wrong. Oh, now it's working. Now, one is working, one is not working. This is this, and now I will take you to the camera. The camera is working. The rear camera is working. You see? This is working. So I gave you the all information about the car, and maybe I will give you also. So you have to send me precisely order how to find the model of the car, or the Honda Accord 2008 Executive, and the canvas. How I find the canvas that you want that I will change, and you have to tell me very precisely order how to do it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.